Hey Misfits, Tony Craft here. So I recently got a lot of questions about how I make my more complex clay jewelry, and so I thought I could go through that process. It does take some time, but the process itself is sort of easy. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take, complementing colors, make little teeny tiny balls of clay out of them, and basically just grid them out, roll them out, bake them the way we want to bake them, and then instead of a layer of glaze, I like to do a thick layer of resin on top. That really gives it the depth and the shine that makes these things really pop. So let's get started. If you liked this video, please hit like. If you want to see more, please subscribe. I try to post weekly. And if you have anything to say, please hit me up in the comments. I try to respond to every single one. And I would love to hear from you, love to meet you. And thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I hope to see you again. Thank you.